Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how this AI law firm agent can help you to review all the contracts, analyze all the client complaints, and also chat with all the legal records so that you find answers within seconds instead of hours. Okay, let us see how this AI agent helps in handling cases, contracts, and conversations all on autopilot. So there are too many documents and too little time. Basically, the law firms will be handling with multiple client data and PDFs, and it will be difficult for them, to analyze each and every page within the given time constraint. This results in lost hours, endless of summaries, manual works, and so on. So this is where our AI comes in the picture, which reads all the PDF from the client email, saves in the Google Drive, mails to your team, and also it saves everything in the Google Sheets. Basically, it saves the summary in the Google Sheet. So this is how the mail will be sent to your team of the particular complaint. As you can see, it will mention all the subject and key issues and the deadline part. As you can see, it will mention the subject and the summary and all the key issues mentioned in that contract, and will mail to your team. And also the main PDF will be stored in the drive automatically, and also it will review the contracts sent to your team with the proper clause breakdown. As you can see, for the each page and the each paragraph, what are the clause applicable, it is mentioned over here. And also it will tell the risk factor of the each page. As you can see, it has mentioned low. It can be categorized as high, medium, low. So this is the feature of extracting the clause and flags, and also summarizing the entire contracts with the 200 words email summary. And also you can chat with your legal data. As you can see, all the records will be stored in the Google Sheets. So the data is fetched from the Google Sheets, and you can chat accordingly. Like, you can ask any upcoming deadlines, it will fetch the data from the Google Sheet and it'll tell you, and any risk clause of that any particular contract, it will tell you in points. Everything is all inside this chat box. So what is the result of this? Instead of wasting 8 hours, everything will be done within 8 minutes. 25 plus contracts week reviewed manually, everything is auto analyzed instantly. There will be missed deadlines, but there will be zero missed deadlines. This results in more 30% leads conversion and 20% increase in the monthly revenue. So this is the basic workflow, which I'll dig deep in the later part. So yeah, okay, now let me show you the actual workflow. So let me, instead of mail trigger, let me just upload a form. As you can see, I'm uploading a document, complaint property dispute. I have submitted. As you can see, the workflow is been running over here. Okay, let us analyze where and all the data has been flowed. Okay, as you can see, the document is stored in the drive, and the next part is it should be added in the Google Sheet. As you can see, the document has been added in the Google Sheet as well, with the deadline date and with the summary part. And also you can see the mail has been sent to your team with the 200 word summary and what are the key issues. Everything is done within seconds. You get the client PDF within seconds, you get all the data from that PDF. So this is document summary, and let me show you the contract analysis. So let me execute this workflow. As you can see, the message also has been sent. So this is the contract mail which is sent to your team with the each para of clause mentioned, and also the contract details is saved in the contract analysis sheet with the contract and the complete summary of the sheet. So this saves lawyers a lot of time, to be honest. So this is how the flow works, and let me chat with the data. Give me a second, guys. Let me just fix everything. Hope it work to. So I opened the chat for demo purpose. I'll just tell hi. I'll tell how can I assist you. How many contracts are there? I'll just ask it. It will go to the contract analysis sheets and it will fetch. It's telling currently there is only one contract. Let me see. Yes, there is only one contract. And I'll ask it even more detail. It has told me the contract about a review of Rohan Sharma and Aditya Verma of this co-founder agreement. As you can see, the same data has been just showed over there. And also I can ask any legal summaries. It will go and check from the legal summary Google sheet, and it will tell you there are two legal summaries. As you can see, there are two. Yeah, there are two legal summaries, and it will tell the detail everything of those summaries. And you can ask, tell me the clauses of those summaries. As you can see, it has told all the clauses of those summaries. Everything can be asked within the chat. So simple. And also you can mail to your team. Let me show you. Create a memo of the deadline to the team. As you can see, it has sent the email to the team. Let me check if I have received any email. Yeah, you can see the team has received a deadline reminder of a contract review and legal summaries. See, it has received all the issues, legal analysis, recommendations. Everything is automated. You can chat with the data and the work will be done instantly. That's how this AI law firm agents helps you to save time, reduce errors, keep cases all organized. Hope you have liked this video. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you.